Convert the following angles in degrees to radians. We've got 50 degrees, 330 degrees and 23 degrees. So the conversion rate is going to be theta degrees you need to multiply by pi over 180. So we'll take the first one, which is 50 degrees, so we'll need to do 50 times pi over 180. Obviously the zeros can be cancelled, okay, and then you're going to get 5 pi over 180, but if you work that now on most normal calculators, it will give you that exactly. B, 330 is going to be 330 times pi over 180. Now 30 goes into 330 11 times and into 180 6 times, so that's going to become 11 pi over 6. Now normally it's we do write these angles in multiples of pi's, but that might not always be necessary. We might not always be able to do that. We've got 23, which is going to be 23 times pi over 180, which gives me 23 pi over 180 as the exact answer, or the approximate equivalent will be 0.401 radians. And normally if you're going to express it this way, we will express it to 3 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to convert angles measured in degrees into radians. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.